Access Evo is a secure AI-powered platform that transforms business software, helping you overcome challenges and boost productivity without compromising your data. Within Access Evo, Copilot acts as your AI digital assistant, helping you ask questions your way. You don't need to endlessly scroll through your data. You'll get instant answers. Users can easily ask specific questions and receive responses instantly, from "Who should I target for cross-sell?" to "Can you pull this customer's order history?" People are excited about the power of AI, but they may also have concerns. Our customers' data is sacrosanct. We're doing business AI the right way. That's why we built Access Evo with our 3-tier security model, so you can use it with confidence. Your private, secure environment. Feed instantly alerts you to act at the critical time to ensure the best outcome for individuals. Are there orders waiting to be dispatched? Batches that need using up? Or replenishments to make today? In dozens of different ways, Access Evo helps make every day easier and empowers you to do more of what matters. It's a whole new way to work. It's not magic, it's Evo.